Blinged bridal slippers, let's do this. So I'm embellishing using Preciosa SS5 Light Peach AB for the thinnest strokes on these letters. And for the medium size, I'm using SS9 Light Peach AB. This is the one that we will likely use the most of. And finally, for the boldest bits of these letters, I'm using SS12 Light Peach AB. These sizes should blend together nicely, and just look at that shimmer. I need to stay inside the lines with the glue on this, so I'm using the Precision Applicator nozzle of the 10ml glue bottle, and inside there is the Ninja Supertite Fusion Tack adhesive. I've got my magic sorting trays ready to go. All that's left is to get blinging. So you can see I'm working my way along the lines, going up and down in size of crystal as and when I need, but there is a bit of a trick with the glue on embellishments like this. The glue needs to soak into those stitches with a little bit left on top for the crystals to stick to. So when you are working this thickly with the glue, it's worth letting it get a little bit tacky before you put those crystals on top. Now we're going to let this dry overnight, and then it is ready to present to the blushing bride. Yay!